How to set spending limits on your Regions Bank debit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set spending limits on your Regions Bank debit card from your desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here simply log in with your account and once logged in you simply have to go to the customer service or card service section from the dashboard, and from there you can simply select your debit card and look for the option labeled as manage card controls, and there you can set daily or per transaction spending limits and even control where your card can be used like online, in store or at ATMs, and after adjusting the limits to your preference you need to make sure to save your changes, and that's it. That's how you can set the spending limits on your Regions Bank debit card. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.